Hello everyone, this is Peter Brown with your weather for the next 7 days. Here we are heading in towards the first full week of November. I know it's hard to believe that we are actually more than 2/3 of the way done with meteorological fall. I know that's hard to believe how fast the times are going by. But we have some beautiful weather coming up for you for this first full week of November. It is going to be feeling anything but like November around here in the Burlington area. In fact, it's going to feel more like mid-September, so the end of summer out there. As we start our period on Friday, we should be seeing temperatures at this time of the year only in the mid-50s, and we're going to be probably 15 degrees warmer than that. I wouldn't be surprised if we get close to or break our record high of 69 that was set a few years back there. I wouldn't be surprised if our highs reach 70 on Friday. Now, getting into the weekend, that warming trend is going to continue. We may see highs nudging up into the mid to upper 70s. Dare I say, could we even see a high temperature near 80 on Sunday? Be very close, but I wouldn't be very surprised. Now, as we round out our period getting in towards the end of next week, again, this time of the year, our temperature should continue to be cooling down to the lower and mid-50s. And again, looks like we're going to end out our period almost 10 to 15 degrees above average, with temperatures by next Thursday in the upper 60s to near 70 again. The only thing that we know that tells us that we're getting closer to winter is the length of day. Now, very important, everyone. Before you go to bed Saturday night into Sunday morning, remember to turn your clocks back an hour as daylight savings time is coming to an end. So once we get into Sunday, that sun is going to be setting around 4:30 p.m. again. So as we go ahead, let's take a look what the Climate Prediction Center is calling for us in terms of temperatures and precipitation here in the Burlington area over the next 7 to 10 days. And looking at our temperature map, it is going to be warmer than average out there, almost a 100% certainty chance of that happening. That's definitely what I'm seeing in the forecast, and that's pretty much going to be true for most of the eastern half of the U.S. If you want the really cold weather and the snow, you're going to have to go out towards the Rockies and out towards the West Coast. And looking at our precipitation chances, this map I'm a little bit surprised about. I actually think we're going to be seeing below average precipitation here in the Burlington areas. We're going to have that warm, dry weather with very few chances of rain. Maybe a couple of spot showers Saturday and Sunday, but it doesn't look like there's really going to be much holding together. So as we go ahead, let's take a look at those 7 days of weather coming up. Now, this is definitely a forecast for those of us who enjoy the warm weather. This is what November should be like for us, or how we really like it around here. Temperatures, pretty much what you see is what you get. You're going to be starting out our weekend on Friday in the upper 60s, getting up into the mid to upper 70s again. Wouldn't be surprised if around the Burlington area we see some areas touch maybe close to 80 on Sunday. We cool down a little bit as we get in towards Tuesday, as we have a bit of a backdoor cold front coming in. But then after that, looks like a warm front's going to return. The temperatures are going to ramp back up, and temperatures are going to be back up into the mid to upper 60s as we round out the period. So everyone, get out there, enjoy the weather, and have a great week.